Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with another detailed tutorial on how to do the knotless back braid. This is beginner friendly, so all of your questions will be answered in this video, and also be sure to leave it down below in the comment section if you have any questions, and I will be sure to reply each and every one. So as you can see, I already applied the shine and jam gel. So I'm just starting to insert the hair that I already sectioned for this size. I'm doing the medium size. That is what the client requested. So it's depend on the size that you already have in mind. So as you can see, I'm braiding and at the same time installing the pre-sectioned extension hair that I already laid out. So I'm just keep braiding the hair, and as you can see, I'm already tucking in a natural hair at the back of the box braid. That way it lasts long and it's not sticking out of the braid, because at the end of the day you want to be able to trim the hair without cutting your client's hair. So it's much better to tuck in the natural hair as much as you can, and this is what your braid should look like. So once again, I'm showing you all the steps. So you're going to take your jam. I use the pure neat natural jam, and I'm combing it into the hair. So I'm going to section out the size again that she wants. And I love pre-sectioning all my side. It makes my work much more easier, and it makes it neater. That way you know exactly what the end result, I mean the pattern, is gonna look like. And as you can see, I'm trying to scrape out the dry patches on her hair before applying the jam. That way it's not sticky, it's not moldy. So just make sure your part is well cleaned before braiding. That's what makes your braid looks very neat. And as you can see, I'm combing the product in through the hair again before sectioning out the size. And everything I use in this video, including the precision comb, hair, and everything jam I use, is available for purchase on beautyon.com. The prescription and the link will be in the description box down below. So please check it out. So after sectioning out the hair, I'm just going to mold it before braiding it. This is what makes your braid comes out looking flat as much as possible. You want your knotless braid to look flat, because what makes it unique is the natural looking effect that it has. So as you can see, I zoom in the camera so you guys can see exactly how I'm inserting the hair. I'm left-handed, so if you're right-handed, it's going to be on this other side of this video. So just keep watching. If you have any questions, please don't forget to leave it down below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. So this is what we have so far. As you can see, the part aligned so perfectly on top of each other, and it's the same size, and that's exactly the reason why I love pre-parting before braiding. It makes your job looks neater, and it also gives the precision look, as you can see. And also to note for knotless braid, in order to have the flawless looking braid, you need to put in product, and that's why you need a good product. I need a good edge control or jam to apply, because some of this edge control out there can easily make your hair get flaky, dry, and itchy after a couple of days, and your braid look like you had it in for 3 months. So you need a very good jam and gel when doing knotless braids or any kinds of braid. And this is me dancing, trying to while away my time. I just love dancing. And at the time of this video, I was 34 weeks pregnant. So at the same time, working and doing exercise. So we're down to the last braid. And when you're done braiding, I didn't record the last process in order not to waste your time and not to make the video too long. So when you're done braiding, you're just gonna trim the braid as much as you can to make it look neater. You're trimming away the flyaways. You're trimming the flyaways from the braid, not your client's natural hair. So when you're done trimming, you're just gonna apply some mousse, some got-to-be, is up to you, is optional, and dip the ends in hot water. That makes it look silky and more natural, and you're sure it's not gonna lose. Your braid is not gonna loosen after a couple of days, because we're not tying it at the end, we're just braiding it down as much as possible before dipping in hot water. So the hot water helps seal the hands, and this is the finished look. This is the finished result. This came out so beautiful, and as you can see, I made it in such a way that she can put it up in a ponytail. She can pat it the way she likes. It's versatile and lightweight. It's not too much braid, which is what most people like about the knotless braid than the regular box braid. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Please don't forget to click the like, comment, share, and subscribe button for more video. My Instagram is at hereby.start.out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Have a blessed day. Bye.